everyone, this is Cheryl Kuchek with Sublimation for Beginners and Beyond Facebook group. So I'm here to share with you some crazy sublimation finds that I found at the Dollar Tree. And of course, I love the Dollar Tree. It's one of my favorite stores. Listen, sharing is caring, so share this video. Um, like it, comment if you would please. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is, and I have about probably, I think, like 11 things here, are these handkerchiefs. 3 for $1. And look at how well, I mean, they just come out beautiful. Look at this. And they make great gifts. And you can even keep the box so that you can actually give them, give it in the box if you'd like. Okay, so one of my favorites, but then again, a lot of this stuff is my favorite. Okay, these little bath puppets, are they adorable? Oh my gosh, they are so cute. So here, oops, he's upside down, but look how cute that is. It's so sweet. Okay, so, and of course, these make great gifts for kids for Christmas. Oh my gosh, and cost you $1. Super easy to sublimate. Some of these I will be sharing with you the how-tos. The gift bags, for instance. Let me show you these. You have to be careful when you sublimate these. These are glossy bags. Not all the Dollar Trees have them, but when you find them, they're great finds. They sublimate beautiful, and of course, they make great personalized gift bags. So who knew, right? Love that. Totally love that. Okay, so here are some pot holders and they come in various colors, red, green. I can't remember all the colors, but they sublimate beautiful. It even says neoprene pot holder. You love it? Okay, so here's some dish towels. And of course, I have to tell you, these sublimate beautiful. And again, this is so great for people who want to be able to experiment and people who want to, have some inexpensive gifts. I mean, this would make a great housewarming gift for somebody. And then it also has the matching dishcloth to go with it. So, and you could sublimate that. You could put monograms on there. You could put the family name on there. There's just so many ways that you could sublimate this. It's just so cool. Okay, so here's also, keeping with the kitchen theme here, aprons. So this is, I walk by faith even when I cannot see. And this is how you would find it. And they also come in different colors. I'm not sure of all the different colors, but I found 2 or 3 different colors. So, and then here's some really cool stuff too for kids. This is really awesome. And that is these little knapsacks that they are a lot of fun. I didn't center this, y'all. I was trying to just put something on there so I could, and I left this off, and I left this one on, and it didn't get centered. It's okay, but you wouldn't want to leave these on because they would melt. So that's just a little tip when you're sublimating those. Okay, and then we have these beautiful pillow covers. Look at this for $1. For $1. Washable, 100% polyester. How beautiful is that? Yeah, so we have just such cool finds. Okay, here are some more. Okay, this is the little heart. Now, of course, this is seasonal. It's obviously Valentine's is in a few days. So, but look at this. How cute is this? And then together. And then this can also be subbed on the back. It says love always Cheryl. Look at that. I mean, it's so cool. I know I shared this, but you could put a picture back here. You could do so much with this. It subs beautifully. Okay, so here, yesterday, or the day before, I went to Dollar Tree. I was so excited about this find because one, and it, you know, the thing about Dollar Tree is that some things you can get all the time. Some things they get in a shipment or two and then you can't find it anymore. This might be one of those, but I would tell you to head over there and find these if you are using the lamination, because this was using lamination on these flat canvas panels, and I found two for $1. And I think they're like $4 over at Michael's. This is a 5x7, really a great find. So you're talking 50 cents for this, for one. And if you haven't seen my video, it is on the channel. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, please. I would appreciate that. And here's another one using lamination. And again, I have a video on this heart. And of course, I mean, some of you have already seen this. And it comes with this little rope to hang it with, which I think is so adorable. It can come right off and then you can put it back on. These are, again, these are seasonal. I believe they're coming out with the little bunnies, the wooden bunnies in the next couple of days. So you want to go over there and check that out. And then, please, again, just if you would please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it if you would share it. I think it would be awesome. Thank you so much. And if you guys have found some things, please share it with the group. I would love it. If you don't belong to my group, it's Sublimation for Beginners and Beyond Facebook group. And we would love to have you. Thank you. Until the next video. Thanks.